Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm going to show you what I have here. I have what are called, I guess, abrasives as it is. It's going to be a various different sanding kind of discs and stuff. So we have this device here, which is going to be, I think, the main component for it. It looks like it's going to hold the discs into place, however it's going to go. As such. So it'll hold this into place, and then we can put our different sanding discs on there. So we have these different discs in varying, strength of hardness and stuff. So let me just open one up here. So, oh, well, this is a foam one. Let's do something like this. This is here is 80 grit sandpaper. Like that's going to be a little bit more useful for whatever we're doing here. So we have this. It will take one. We can kind of screw it into this disc. So now we have a sanding disc. Put it into our drill. Wow, that one's right there. Then what I have opening. And then, like this particular little piece of metal I have in here has a bunch of burrs and stuff on it. It'll give me the ability to do some sanding. Wow, that took off all the burrs with just the 80 grit. So we have various different ones here. We have different grits, different types. This one here's just rougher. Here, a bunch of different ones here, a whole bunch of them. And then we have this piece here, which is gonna have Velcro on the back of it. So this one here is gonna give us Velcro. And then we're gonna have a million different little discs here. So we have P120, 80, a bunch of different other sanding discs here. So we can just put all these on too. So if we wanna, let me just grab one of these out of here. So we have this disc here, which is just Velcro, and then we have this one here, which is kind of a foam Velcro. So let me see, we have to get the screw thingy for it. Sorry, everything is kind of, here, I'll aim you guys down so you can kind of see what I'm doing here as I'm opening it all up. So we have like this one, and then we have this stuff here. So if I wanted to, oh, this actually is gonna fit into this particular component we already have in there. So now we have the Velcro, and so I can say I want, okay, P80 on there, and take it out. So this is basically, at this point, if I take a disc of this, put it on there, so now we are basically doing the same thing as we had with this one here, just different color. So this is another P80. So just gives us the ability to mix and match and stuff, but then we have all the different ones here, just different types of ones, so we can pretty much sharpen anything, do whatever. Sanding pad here, this one here, so you can see it's squishy, so it's got that. So just basically a whole variety of abrasives for sanding things. So it is super cool, nice kit to have for sure, and I like it. Thumbs up.